Supfina Grieshaber, with locations in Germany, the USA, and China, is among the world's leading manufacturers of surface finishing systems. As system suppliers, we offer complete solutions from a single source, ranging from super finishing to automation, tailored for industries such as automotive and bearings. Flexibility, reliability, and the highest processing quality are our focus in our latest development. The Supfina Planet BD for manufacturing coated brake discs sets the benchmark for reducing fine dust emissions in the braking systems of all vehicles.
Daten und Technologien werden in der heutigen Zeit immer wichtiger.
Data and technology are increasingly important today, and companies like Supfina must be able to effectively use and integrate this data. Siemens supports us as a reliable long-term partner, providing hardware, software, consultation, and expertise.
For Supfina, it's important to react flexibly and swiftly to customer requests. New and optimized ideas can be evaluated and visualized early on. This allows rapid data provision across all company sectors.
Durch die permanent wachsenden Anforderungen unserer Kunden.
Due to our customers' continually growing demands, we strive to push the physical limits to ensure maximum stiffness at minimal weight. Early simulation of loads with Solid Edge supports us in this.
Solid Edge synchronous technology enables efficient concept generation and implementation of changes. With Solid Edge CAM Pro, we achieve swift and smooth transitions to manufacturing, especially for complex parts based on 5-axis machining. Teamcenter Share provides us with a secure, global communication tool for interacting with our customers, partners, and suppliers. Even our teams in the USA, China, and Germany are efficiently interconnected via cloud-based systems. Digital prototypes can be visualized in a real environment with augmented reality.
Tecnomatix
Process Simulate allows us to align digital automation concepts with our customers and verify expected cycle times early.
Since 2000, Siemens experts have been indispensable in discussions about requirements and technical IT matters. Their reliability and collaboration are crucial for our path to success.
Auf dem Weg zum Erfolg.